trail of blooms here in the Mojave Desert. Oh yeah, this is the outhouse that's going to be going to the raw restoration site once we make the human manure toilet. So look forward to getting that started probably sometime next week. So I'll be videotaping how we put that together. And of course, we're going to be painting this. So stay tuned for some upcoming meetups. So today, there's Tux. I am watering some plants. Just filled these up, just regular tap water. But yeah, what's this? This is a highly effective nitrogen fixer, which is also called urine. So what I'm going to do is spike this bottle and place that in my potted plant, and it's been working out pretty well out here in the desert for me. Let me know if you use urine for nitrogen in your garden. All right? Okay, take care, y'all.